Welcome to IMMA, the Irish Museum of Modern Art, where over the past 2 years we've turned the museum inside out. We've expanded our programme beyond the gallery walls onto the 48-acre site. IMMA Outdoors activates the grounds of the Royal Hospital Kilmainham, igniting it into a hub of activity and a dynamic celebration of art in all its varied forms, with some unlikely interventions. From artist commissions to performances, from talks and tours to workshops, IMMA Outdoors has been a popular programme for all audiences to enjoy. First piloted in the summer of 2020 with the launch of the People's Pavilion, audiences were invited to enjoy the IMMA site in a safe and innovative way without social distancing circles. Building on this success, our 2021 programme flourished into an inspiring lineup of activities and events in celebration of IMMA's 30th birthday. We asked ourselves the question, what does it mean to be a radically public space? And how can we embrace the unique site of IMMA as a museum and garden of sanctuary for all? In doing so, we invited a diverse range of practitioners and cultural partners to engage with the site. As a result, creativity stretched across our grounds from one gate to another. Our pavilions were a hive of activity. IMMA's visitor engagement team devised a lively on-site programme of bespoke biodiversity tours, workshops, yoga classes and family activities that fused the importance of well-being and engagement with ideas and creativity, offering visitors a space in which to convene, explore and reflect. We opened our gates to community groups and acted as host to a variety of activities from poetry groups to dance classes, parent and toddler groups to activist organisations. Our courtyard was a stage which hosted live music, DJ sets and dance performances. The Flying Dog Outdoor Cafe was an enjoyable place to eat throughout the summer, providing a space for friends and family to meet and chat. Our formal gardens shape-shifted from a botanical dance floor to a theatrical labyrinth. From flickering eyes to raging tongues, an array of sculpture emerged amongst the flora, while in our garden house, audiences could enjoy a moment of peace and reflection with poetry and music filling the air. The Wild Meadow provided an arena of tranquility for audiences to escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Dog walkers, sunbathers and remote workers alike enjoyed the golden lustre of the summer sun. Studio Street became an avenue of encounters with artists as part of IMMA's Radical Plot residency. The public had the opportunity to experience artist-led performances, events and interventions, and an occasional sneak peek behind the scenes. Our ambitious artist commissions included site-specific installations by Niall Sweeney, Mark Clare, and a collaborative arts practice forerunner founded by Tanit Aaron, Andreas Kindler von Knockblock and Tom Watt. Situated in various locations across the expanse of the IMMA site, these remarkable installations transformed the use of the grounds, captivated viewers' imaginations and offered our visitors moments of contemplation, exploration and play. IMMA Outdoors continues to be a radical programme for all to enjoy. As we emerge from this moment in our history, we are excited for what is to come as we continue to connect with artists, communities and the public. We look forward to seeing you again soon.